Take your forklift, raise the carriage up to about chest height. Take your safety cable and safety latch. Take your cable and put it in the center. Go through the loop and hook your safety latch onto the cable. Take your product protector and latch the safety latch onto the top neck of the product protector. Take the product protector and make sure the notch latches in to the center of the side shifter. The product protector needs to be properly centered in between the inside of the load backrest. Take your lower mounting bracket and install the bolt. Make sure that your lower hook is in the bottom groove of your side shifter. Take your portable 3/8 Allen impact and tighten the bolt completely. Take your 3/8 Allen and finish tightening.